The Federal Election Commission received former President Donald Trump's personal financial disclosure report on Friday, giving the public a first look at his post-presidential finances. However, because candidates are only required to report their assets and liabilities in general ranges, the reports offer an imprecise financial picture. Trump's filing on Friday enables him to avoid having to pay a $200 late fee after missing a previous deadline to submit the report, which is the first of his 2024 campaign. Texas's Dallas on August 6. On August 6, 2022 in Dallas, Texas, former President Donald Trump delivers a speech at the Conservative Political Action Conference at the Hilton Anatole. Since its inception in 1974, CPAC has brought together and hosted conservative organizations, activists, and international leaders to discuss current affairs and upcoming political agendas. The 101-page report offered some fresh information about Trump's financial situation since leaving office, including his foray into social media and the sale of non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs, or digital trading cards, last year. Information regarding Trump's post-presidential finances. Hundreds of Trump's assets are listed in the filing, ranging from real estate like his Florida resort Mar-a-Lago to royalties from his books. According to the financial disclosure report, Trump claimed speaking engagement income of more than $5 million. According to the filing, the former president also claimed to have received between $100,000 and $1 million in income from NFTs. In addition, he stated that the value of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation, the parent company of his social media project Truth Social, ranges from $5 million to $25 million. Trump reported little to no income from that asset, despite owning 90% of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation. The filing highlights how Trump's business interests span the globe as he runs for president once more. For instance, he reported receiving more than $5 million in royalties from a company called DT Marks Oman LLC. The Trump Organization had an agreement with a Saudi real estate firm to construct a Trump hotel, villa, and golf course in Oman, as part of a $4 billion project, according to a November New York Times report. Questions regarding the filing were not answered by a Trump campaign spokesman on Friday night. Trump's 1987 memoir The Art of the Deal, which offered business guidance, was the most profitable of the 16 books he listed. It brought in royalties ranging from $100,000 to $1 million, per the disclosure. The majority of the books generated royalties of under $200. Melania Trump, the former First Lady, lists royalties through MKT World LLC as providing between $1 million and $5 million in income in her filing. She also lists rental income from a Slovenian real estate deal as providing between $1,000 and $15,000 in income. Regarding his current properties, Trump disclosed that he had paid off 6 mortgages and taken on 2 more. Deutsche Bank provided loans for 2 of the mortgage payoffs for properties in Miami and Washington. After the uprising on January 6, 2021, the bank said it would no longer do business with Trump. His old post office building mortgage in Washington, which housed a Trump hotel close to the White House, was paid off. The lease on that property was sold by Trump's business last year. The former president needed an additional 30 days to complete and submit his report due to the complexities of his financial holdings, according to a letter Trump attorney Derek Ross sent to the FEC last month. The filing deadline had previously been extended twice by 45 days, which was the maximum that could be requested. After obtaining the 2 extensions, Trump's filing was supposed to be submitted by March 15. Ross asked for a response, and Acting General Counsel Lisa Stevenson of the Federal Election Commission wrote that Trump had used all of his extensions. She also stated that, in accordance with the federal law governing these disclosures, Trump could be charged $200 if the report wasn't submitted within 30 days. When asked about the delay last month, Trump spokesman Stephen Chung responded in an email to CNN, "President Trump has significant financial holdings, and we have advised the Federal Election Commission that additional time is needed to file his financial disclosure report." To provide a more thorough picture of their financial situation, the majority of presidential candidates and White House employees also released their tax returns. Throughout his previous run for office and time in the White House, Trump steadfastly refused to do so. Tax returns are released, then filing occurs. Trump's tax returns from 2015 to 2020 were made public by House Democrats on the Ways and Means Committee last year, capping a protracted legal battle over their disclosure. The committee filed a lawsuit to obtain the thousands of pages of financial records after Trump broke decades-old precedent by refusing to release his tax returns, giving the committee the most in-depth look at Trump's finances to date, and revealing that the former president paid little to no income taxes, several years after claiming significant business losses before and during his administration. Trump carried forward sizable net operating losses that frequently resulted in a zeroing out of his tax liabilities, according to a Joint Committee on Taxation report on his tax returns. In spite of reporting millions of dollars in losses, Trump paid $750 in taxes in 2016 and 2017, and $0 in 2020. The tax returns revealed that Trump had numerous foreign bank accounts, including one in China from 2015 to 2017, as well as business income, taxes, expenses, or other financial items in close to 24 countries. Trump reported at least $446 million in income on his financial disclosure form from a variety of sources in 2020, including his hotels, resorts, golf courses, and royalties from books and television shows. Trump's financial disclosure form appeared to list the Trump Organization's revenues as income, which is typically only used to report a person's take-home pay or ownership stake in an asset. This gave the impression that Trump was significantly wealthier than he actually was.